So we'll be finding the HCF of 16, 24 and 44 by fraction method or by factorization method. So it is simply done by dividing 16 by the lowest number that it can be divided by. So here we have 2 by 16 is equal to 8, 2 by 8 is equal to 4, and 2 by 4 is equal to 2. Same way we work out the rest of the sums. This is 2 by 24, and then we get then we do it for 2 by 44, which is pretty simple. So once we are done with that, we write down the factors which factorized 16, 24 and 44, and once we write all the factors next to each other or simultaneously, we have to take out whichever is common. For example, all three of them have 2 square and 1 as common. So we write 2 square into 1. So what is the value of 2 square into 1? 2 square into 1 is equal to 4, obviously. So equal to 4. So as the value of 2 square and is equal to 4, the HCF of 16, 24 and 44 is 4. So that ends sum 1. We'll be doing another sum on this. Sum 2, find the HCF of 377, 603 and 806. Well, 806 is slightly inside. So we just do as before, we factorize it. With the smallest number it can be factorized. So 377 can be factorized by using 13, make it 29, and 29 is a prime number, as so we used 29 itself. And then 603 can be factorized by 3, giving us an answer of 201, which again can be factorized by 3, giving us the answer of 67. And then 67 is a prime number, so we have to use 1. And then we factorize 806, which is factorized by 2, giving us the answer of 403. And then that's factorized by 13, which gives us the answer 31, and 31 is a prime number, so we'll be giving it directly 31, and 1 will be the answer. And then we write down all of them simultaneously to compare of which factors are common in all the three fractions or in all the three factorizations. So here we are 13 into 29 into 1, and 3 into 3 into 67 into 1, and 2 into 13 into 13 into 1. So if you notice, there is no common factor anywhere, as 13 is repeated 2 places but not in all the places. The only thing that is repeated is 1. As 1 has a common factor for all, we take it as the definition of HCF is highest common factor. So the highest and common factor of all the three is 1. So even if it's low, the highest common factor is 1. So 1 is the answer. So 1 is the HCF of 377, 603 and 806. So this is division method. We will be using division method as the second method of finding the HCF of two numbers or three numbers. So now we are finding the HCF of 25 and 120 using this method, or basically using division. So here we use the smaller number to divide the greater number. So 25 divides 120 by 4 times and giving the remainder 20, and 20 is greater than 25. As such, 20 divides 25 by 1 time and giving the remainder 5, and 5 divides 20 uh, by 4 times, giving the remainder as 0. As 5 was the number that gave the remainder as 0, or 5 is the last non-zero number in the division process. So 5 will be the HCF for um, the numbers 120 and 25. So after this we'll be doing one more sum, which is with three numbers, as it is confusing to do sums on division method with three numbers. So and this method is specifically asked in exam, so please see. Question number 2. In this we'll be finding the HCF of 144, 348 and 444, or 444 by division method. So in this we have three numbers. So it starts with the normal thing. We take the lowest number and the next any consecutive number and divide them to get a remainder, which is 60, and we take 60 and divide it with the previous divider, so 144, and we get another remainder, so that is 24. So 24 is again divided by the previous divider, that is 60, and we get the next remainder, which is 20. The remainder is giving the remainder, so this will be 0. So we get the last non-zero remainder as 2 for the numbers 144 and 348, and basically that's the HCF for 144 and 348. Now we take the HCF of these two numbers and basically divide it by 444 to get a new HCF. So that is, now we are finding with the third new integer. Let's go. So 2 divided by 444 gives you remainder 0 with the quotient as 222. So as such, 2 remains still the last non-zero integer which ends the division process. As such, 2 will be the HCF for 444 as well, with 144, and so that's non-zero is a HCF 44 and 348 and 444. So 2 is the HCF. Conclusion. So okay guys, I'll be uploading all BBA subject videos on this channel, Study World Kings, so please come and visit. Thank you.